everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, this is a makeup related video. I have been purchasing from this company called FEELUNIQUE for quite a few months now. I originally found out from them by Just Joe Nail Addict. She has posted a couple of videos on their samples. I remember watching her first video quite a few months ago now, and I was like, yes, like right up my alley. I love my makeup, I love my skincare, I love all my sort of bits and bobs like that. And quite frankly, I can't afford to be going out and buying really expensive products. Most of my makeup I've got is from Revolution because they are so affordable, but the products are really nice. But occasionally it's nice to try something a bit more luxurious, and FEELUNIQUE is the perfect company in order to do that. So with FEELUNIQUE, you have an option. You could get 5 Dulux samples, which are either full-size products or they're like bigger than average samples. These are usually £12.95 a month plus postage. This month they happen to be £10.95, so a little bit cheaper, but they're a really good deal. You can also get 5 normal samples for free. You just simply got to pay postage. There's hundreds of products to pick from. They're really good. I believe you can also get a couple more samples if you place an order for some of the other products as well. But there's quite a few options there. They're really good. I really enjoy getting them. And like I said, it's just a good opportunity to try some products that are a lot more on the high end and quite frankly are just too expensive for what they are. But I just thought I'd show you what I've got this month. I really enjoyed watching Jo's videos. I will link her channel in the description box. Please go over and check her out. Subscribe to her channel, show her some love. She posts lots of awesome videos. She does mainly nails, she does hauls, reviews, really epic nail art. She is an absolute incredible artist, but she also does loads of different other stuff as well. It's not always just nail related, but her channel is definitely worth a watch, so please go over and subscribe to her. So I'm going to dive into the video. I'm going to show you everything I have got this month. I really hope you enjoy. Sorry it's not nail related, but I do like to do the odd makeup video here and there. But anyways, I hope you all enjoy. If you do, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive in and have a look at these products. So I'm going to start off with the smaller samples first. Like I said, you can get 5 samples a month, and all you've got to do is pay postage, which is £3.95. The way this works is, say for example you placed an order on the 10th, you would not be able to get any more samples again until the 10th the following month. So it's only once a month you can get the samples, but they're well worth it, and it just gives you an opportunity to try some products that you normally wouldn't, or if you want to try before you buy type thing. So the first thing I've got here is a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. So full price, this foundation would be £34, which isn't too bad, but for me personally, that's still too much for a foundation. I personally could not bring myself to spend that much, but I'm not one to wear foundation every day anyway. But if you do like to wear foundation every day and you want something that's going to be really nice, it's going to look flawless on your skin, and it's going to have all nice ingredients that are good for your skin and all that lot, then it's worth spending the money. But for me personally, I only wear foundation on the odd occasion, so I can't see myself buying a full-size bottle, but I would love to try some of the higher end stuff, so I decided to pick up this one. I've picked it up in number 6, which is a medium shade. It's a 1.5ml sample, so it's probably only really one application's worth, but it's good enough to just try it out, see how it lasts on your skin, see what it's like. I really struggle with foundations. The only foundation I actually like is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. That's the only one that seems to settle nicely on my skin, but I've never actually tried any high brand foundations, so I'm very excited to give this one a go. Next up, I have got a sample of the Marc Jacobs Perfect perfume. I have had quite a few samples of this now. It is my all-time favourite perfume, but it's £69 a bottle, and even though I do feel like it's worth it because like a bottle of perfume does last a long time, it's still a lot of money to be spending out on one product. And yeah, I'm just being a bit slight and I keep getting myself the little samples. So you get a 1.2ml sample, and you'd be surprised how long these last because it's such a nice perfume. It's quite strong, and that you literally just need like a squirt or two and you're good to go for like hours and hours and hours. So like I get quite a lot of uses out of these little mini samples. This perfume is absolutely amazing. I generally do go for perfume samples when I'm on FEELUNIQUE. That's typically what I always tend to go for because I just love perfume. I've got a lot of perfume, but I'm quite tight and I'm not happy to spend a ridiculous amount of money on a big bottle. So I either buy really cheap big bottles or I just get samples. And yeah, this one is incredible. It's very sweet, it's very lush, and I just absolutely adore it. As you can see there, it says a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb accord meet soft cashmerean and comforting notes of almond milk, dazzling and unexpected, perfect just like you. It's really sweet, it's really nice, and yeah, I was very excited to see that they've got these on there this month because yeah, it's the best perfume ever. It's so nice. Next up, I've got this sample. One thing with FEELUNIQUE is it's always worth checking the sizes of the samples because I didn't pay much attention to this one, and it's literally just like a sticker, so you can literally just smell it. It's not actually like a nice little spray bottle, unfortunately. More often than not though, they are little size bottles. I've seen ones as big as 2 ml which do last quite a while, and yeah, 90% of the time they are actual little spray bottles, but this one unfortunately is a sticker. But it's a Valentino Voice Fever, and online on the fragrance shop it's £89 for a bottle of this, which is really expensive again. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it smells like, and maybe if it smells good I might be able to find some samples in like an actual squirty bottle, but we'll see. But yeah, that is the next thing that I got. And then next up, I've got a Mercier Fresh Matte Lipstick. It's just like this. It is quite a small little sample, but I still feel like you'd get a lot of uses out of it. That is the size that I've got. This lipstick, to buy the full size product, is £25, which again is quite a lot for a lipstick. Oh, I just broke it. No way. I can never get through one of these videos without making a mess or breaking something, I'm sure of it. Oh well. I can still use it, it's all good, but yeah, there's a bit of a terrible swatch of it. It's a really nice colour, it's just got like a slight sort of pinky reddy undertone. It feels really creamy as well. Just don't do me and open it too much and break it. But yeah, like I said, it is £25 for a sort of full size one of those. I've heard a lot about the Mercier products, but they're way out of my price range. I know that a setting powder is like the best setting powder, everyone seems to have it, but it is way out of my price range. But I'm excited to try this out and see what it's like on my lips anyway. But yeah, that's the last product. I was meant to get a NARS blush as well, but it didn't seem to arrive. I haven't got it, so that's a bit of a shame. I was really excited to try that out. It looked like a really nice blush, and NARS again is a very expensive brand. But I might see if they've got it next month and try again. I think maybe they just missed out of my order. But it's okay. I'm not complaining anyway. These are really nice products. So moving on now, I have got 5 Dulux samples here. Like I said, typically they are £12.95 plus postage. This month they were a couple of quid cheaper. They were £10.95 for 5 samples. So the first one I got is this Essence What the Fake Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Essence isn't an expensive brand at all, but it is a full-size mascara. It does look a little bit dry, I'm not gonna lie, but I'll have to try it and see what it's like anyway. But I felt like a whole mascara, like a full-size mascara, was a good little thing to grab, and yeah, I can't wait to try that one out. And then I got this Invisibobble, which I just thought was really cute. It's a spiral hair ring meets scrunchie. So I love the spiral hairbands because they're like tangle-free hairbands. They're really good. I've got really long thick hair. It gets tangled really easy, and normal hairbands do get stuck in my hair. I'm not gonna lie, it's a mess. So I quite often use the spirals or hairbands, and this one is a spiral hairband, but it's also a scrunchie, and I do like a good old scrunchie. Like, I love whacking my hair up in a messy bun with a scrunchie over it, and it looks really cute. And yeah, I saw this and I just thought it was really sweet, so that is the next one that I got. Next up, I have got this Nude by Nature finishing powder. This is actually a really good size. This will last me ages, like it really will last me ages. These are normally £22 for a full size product, but like I said, that's gonna last me ages, so I'm really happy about that. And it's exciting to try some more sort of luxurious setting powder, because again, I've just got really cheap ones. I've got the peach powder from Revolution, which is my favourite. I really do love it. It actually smells like peaches. It's really good, and I do like it as a setting powder. And then otherwise I've got an MUA one, and if you're familiar with makeup, like, you know, MUA is a really budget brand. They do have nice products, but they are really budget, so I'm really excited to show something a little bit more luxurious. It's a 2-gram pot, but yeah, there's loads in there because you don't need a lot of setting powder. You do not need to lag your face in it. It'll just make it look dry and horrible. Like, you need the tiniest little amount, so I'm really excited about this and I can't wait to try it. Then I've got this, which is the NARS Lip Pigment in Star Woman. It is in the cutest, tiniest little pot ever. It is bright red. This is the only colour they had. And I don't wear a red lip often at all, but I just wanted to try it again because I've heard a lot of good things about NARS products. See a tiny little applicator. Like, look at the pigment on that. It looks so nice and looks really luxurious, and again, it's expensive. This is £23 for a full size one of these, which isn't money I'd pay for a bright red lip pigment, to be honest. But yeah, I just wanted to try it again. I've been wanting to try NARS products for quite a while now, so I'm very excited about that, and it's definitely one of the favourite things that I've got this time. And then last, we have got this here, which is a Juice Beauty Illuminating Primer. This full price is £37, which is a ridiculous amount for a primer, but I'm really excited to try it. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I've never heard it. This is a 15ml bottle. It is in the shade 01 Luminous Luminox. It sounds really good. It's all made of organic ingredients. And I feel like it's a really good sized tube as well. I'm probably going to get quite a lot of applications out of this, I should expect. I've been using the NYX Marshmallow Primer lately, which I do really like. It smells really good. It feels really nice on the skin. But I wouldn't say it's the best primer I've ever used. And it's the Smashbox Photo Effect Primer, which I really love. I've had a couple of samples now from FEELUNIQUE of it, but again, it's like 30 odd quid for a tube and I'm not paying that much. But they've run out of samples for that one now, so I don't know if I'll be getting any more of that. It's really hard to show you, but you can see that it's got a nice sort of glow to it. It's quite a like loose formula. It feels quite runny. It's not really thick like some primers that I've used. But I'm really excited to try that and see what it's like on my skin. But yeah, I feel like I have got some really nice products this month. So that is all of my bits this month from FEELUNIQUE. I really love it. Like I said, it's a good way of trying some more sort of high-end luxurious products. And the total price for all of this was £18.85, which I don't think is bad at all for what it is. And they have such a good selection to pick from. It's not just makeup. You've got loads of skincare, you've got perfumes. You occasionally get the odd makeup brushes and hair stuff, shampoos, conditioners, like there's a lot to pick from. Like, you feel spoilt for choice. I always really struggle to just pick 5 from each thing. Sometimes I just go for the smaller samples for £3.95, and on occasion I do treat myself to the Dulux samples, and I've always been happy. I am a little bit gutted that the NARS blush wasn't here, but that is the first time they've ever missed anything off my order, so I can't really complain. They've been really good to me, and I'm really glad I found out about them from Joe, so thank you so much to Joe for sharing your videos. I love getting to pick these little things out each month and just, yeah, having some new little products to play with. But anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed the video. Sorry it's not nail related, but I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave links to FEELUNIQUE in my description box. And yeah, other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!